daily exfoliation, and your diet, foods that can boost skin repair. When you think about glowing, healthy skin, your first thought might be your skincare routine. However, what you eat plays just as much of a role in how your skin heals, renews, and radiates vitality. Daily microdermabrasion with REFRESHEN Super Premium smooths and renews your skin using the skin's own wound healing mechanism. From the inside out, like the right foods also work from the inside to boost skin repair and amplify those results. The Diet Skin Connection skin cells are constantly renewing themselves. At the surface, skin cells are already dead, i.e., they are simply keratin with no nucleus. Their lifespan at the surface is usually 2 to 3 weeks before naturally shedding, although they do not shed as quickly as we age, wherefore wrinkles are formed. Microdermabrasion helps to speed this process by gently removing the older, damaged surface cells, allowing the newer cells to take their place a bit sooner than they normally would. To advance this renewal, your body needs a steady supply of nutrients. Without them, healing slows, and your glow will fade, no matter how faithful you are with your moisturizers. What helps your skin to boost its skin repair? 1. Vitamin C-rich produce citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient that supports collagen formation and helps wounds heal more quickly. Pairing microdermabrasion with a vitamin C-rich diet gives your skin both the exfoliation it needs and the nutritional raw materials required for firmer, healthier skin maintenance. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids for renewal. Abundant in salmon, sardines, flaxseed, and walnuts, omega-3s reduce inflammation and strengthen your skin's barrier function. This helps calm areas that may feel sensitive immediately after exfoliation, maybe in the first 1 to 2 minutes. So omega-3s are not about physical comfort, but about helping your skin to maintain itself, and they do help. 3. Protein for renewal. Lean meats, beans, eggs, and tofu provide the amino acids your body needs to build new skin. Daily exfoliation primes your skin's surface, while protein is the nutritional building blocks needed for cell synthesis and renewal. 4. Antioxidant-rich greens for cell maintenance. Spinach, kale, and broccoli help protect against environmental stressors like sun and free radicals. These foods help your skin look fresh and bright, especially when combined with regular hand-applied exfoliation. 5. Hydrating foods for renewal. Cucumbers, watermelon, and other water-rich produce provide elemental nutritional help to provide and maintain skin elasticity, more important as we age. Remember, moisture supports healing just as much as nutrients do. Why hand-applied treatments matter. Unlike machine treatments, REFRESHEN Super Premium Microdermabrasion is intended to be applied by hand. This allows you to move more slowly over areas that need extra smoothing and ease off around delicate zones like around the eyes, the sides of your nose, or your neck. Customers frequently mention how this method feels more controlled and comfortable than mechanical alternatives, yet it is equally effective, if not more so. See what others say. Many of our customers share how combining daily microdermabrasion with mindful eating transformed their skin. They notice not only fewer fine lines and smoother texture, but also quicker recovery from occasional blemishes. Their reviews consistently highlight how REFRESHEN, paired with better nutrition, feels more complete from the intestine to your skin, the natural inside-out approach to skincare. The bottom line: great skin generally does not happen by chance. It happens through realistic behaviors. Pairing a nutrient-rich diet with daily hand-applied microdermabrasion gives your skin its best chance to renew, repair, and radiate a healthy glow and vitality. What you do at the dinner table supports what you do in front of the mirror and is a lot easier than trying to lose 100 pounds.